Hello, today we will guide you through how to add payment option to eBay. In this walkthrough, we'll add a new payment method to your eBay account so it's ready to use at checkout or when you win an auction. Keep your browser open and follow along. Start by opening your web browser and going to ebay.com. Make sure you're signed in so your account settings are available. Once the homepage loads, look to the top of the screen for your profile icon. Click that to open the account menu, then choose Account Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage personal details, preferences, and financial options. On the Account Settings page, find and select Payments. This opens eBay's Wallet section where you store and manage payment methods. If you see a prompt asking you to proceed, click Continue to move on. Inside the wallet, select Add Cards and Accounts. This is where you choose what type of payment option you want to add. When asked how you plan to use the method, select Checkout or Auction. Choosing this ensures your new payment option is available when you pay for items or complete a winning bid. Click. Continue to confirm your choice. Next, you'll see a set of tiles or cards for different payment types. Click the card that matches the method you want to add. After making your selection, click Continue again to proceed to the secure entry form. Now enter your account details carefully. For a card, that typically includes the card number, the name as it appears on the card, the expiration date, the security code, and the billing address. For a bank account, you'll provide the requested account information exactly as it appears with your bank. Double-check everything for accuracy, as mismatches can prevent the method from being saved or used at checkout. If anything looks unclear, use the on-screen hints to guide you. Continue through the prompts until the setup is complete. You may see brief confirmation messages as the system saves and verifies your information. If a button like Continue is grayed out, scan the form for any fields that need attention and correct them. When finished, you should see your new payment method listed in your wallet, indicating it's ready to use. That's it. You've successfully added a payment option to eBay. Keep your details up to date, so checkout stays smooth, and remember to remove or update expired methods when needed. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your next purchase with your new payment option ready to go.